She is helping.
Yes. And the fruit. First, we're going to start with fruit.
First, we're going to start with fruit.
These are
apples. So put them in here. These are 5 apples.
And be careful because it's going to be loud.
And be careful. It's going to be loud. 1, 2, 3.
It's your first apple juice.
All of them like apple juice.
It's your first apple juice.
It's my first apple juice.
How does it taste? Real apple juice.
Like apple juice.
Ah, is it good?
Yeah.
That's the red apple. You want to try the orange?
Now we're trying orange and grape.
Let's just do orange first. And
Actually, let's just do orange
then, okay.
first.
You want to put both? I have to push down a little bit. Yeah.
Well,
You know what? Let me cut it some more.
I
Let your assistant help you. There you go.
just try to put it all the way in.
Mm-hmm.
My whoa.
Okay, that's good.
1, 2, 3. Looks like milk. Okay, all done. If this tastes like orange juice,
It's your first real orange
Orange juice.
juice. How does
It's
it taste?
tastes like orange.
On the fun factor,
The fun factor would be juicy. And the number would be a 7.
7 means
7, because you drink it and it's really tasty.
and it's good for you. I
And-
think that goes up.
And it's good for you.
Yeah.
Now we're doing grapes.
I think it should be fun factor should be what's the highest number for fun factor?
10.
I think fun factor should be 10 because we're using a juicer to make your own orange juice.
Because we're making a juicer for our own juice.
And it's help. No, I'm talking to anybody. Yeah, you're gonna do your part. Yeah, but it's also because it's healthy for you. Go ahead, put it in.
One more.
All of them, handful. How many can you get in there?
5.
Get all of them in there. Handful.
If it gets all full. Ah! Wash these.
Okay. Don't worry about that one. You get the rest.
Okay. Okay. Wait. No, I'm ready.
Your first real grape juice. Ready?
1, 2, 3. It looks like the oranges. It looks like the oranges. Getting bigger. Getting really bigger.
Look how much grape juice you got.
That's a lot.
That's pretty good. Papa, what you made? Oh, this grape juice is pretty
I
good.
made juices.